So here's how you can block most of the blue light for the night times. So the idea is that when you have a lot of blue light at nighttime, it messes up with your circadian rhythm, which then affects your sleep and overall health. And I've been wearing glasses like these. They work pretty well, but this is one way to block most of the blue light. So let me show you how. It's going to be quick. So the first thing you do is go to the settings. And when you come down just a little bit, there's something called accessibility. Go to display and text size. Then come down to color filters. Go in there and turn it on. When you first turn it on, it will be right there. So all you have to do is come down here and drag that intensity all the way to your right. And you can adjust this. If you have a hard time seeing because it's too red, you might want to leave it here, but then you're going to leave some of the blue light coming through. So if you want to completely block, you go all the way up here. And there's one more thing that you have to do. Go out once and twice. When you go out twice, there's on the bottom, there's something called accessibility shortcut. Let me actually make it. Click that. And then go ahead and select the color filters. That's all you have to do. Click the home button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then you will see this option that says a color filter. Click that. It goes to blue light mostly blocked mode. If you want to turn back on because you want to see some like a picture or something like that, you click 1, 2, 3, and then boom. Apparently there's a lot of blue light toxicity in our environment, including the LED light, obviously this one. Since I changed this setting, when I put in this red mode, it's not as fun to play with the phone, which means I play with the phone less at nighttime, which is a good thing. So check this out. Hope it can give you some better quality of sleep, less blue light toxicity. Good luck.